Leaders become great not because of their power, but because of their ability to empower others. Welcome back, guys. We know that fun at GNI never stops, and here we are to give you a knack of it. We rely on the faith that there is never an end, but always a beginning, because the show must go on. The beauty lies in relishing whatever we have in present and expecting the best out of future.
From creators to audience, artists to organizers, Virtual Fest closes the circle that connects all of us. A unified platform that eases the communication of any type of event and gives the opportunity for the emerging and amateur talent to spread their work worldwide. From singing to dancing, instrumental to talentia, we have a wide exposure to a fun-filled and exciting flair at GNI. Look at the festival season in the era of social distancing. No one would have expected that this show would be such a great show. And it's clear that festivals need to be celebrated in a new and unique way.
We now have with us the sculptor of human character, a seasoned scholar and navigator of the flagship of knowledge, and he is none other than the Managing Director of GNI, Dr. H.S. Saini, sir.
Hello everyone. You know, the pandemic time is a challenging time. A lot of activities have stopped. Slowly things are opening. Due to pandemic, we could not do sports, we could not visit our cinema halls or any other places where we do our recreation, entertainment, and we could not do much activity. Some students, or they were at their home only, they were learning even the cooking, gardening, stitching clothes, or learning some household things, painting. These are the activities which could be done at the home during the pandemic, in addition to the studies. Our teachers were busy in giving you presentations. We wanted to give you the best instruction, and you were busy in attending the presentations. The first time we have done e-learning at such a large scale, but I have personally felt the students who were locked in the homes, sticking to the laptop or smartphone screen, there were less activities. So keeping that in the mind, we have arranged this cultural festival so that the students who are talented, who want to show off their talents, and also those students who want to enjoy, want to participate and get entertained, they should come together to participate in the Winter Festival. Now we do this festival every year. We didn't want to stop the tradition. So during pandemic also we are arranging this e-festival for you. And I'm very happy that good number of students have come forward. Good number of students are participating in dances, singing, group dances. I also wanted to push some activities like declamation, group discussions, or discussions, all these kind of competitions, even paintings and all that. In case sessions come, so students can be made to paint online. You know, these activities are very essential. These activities add color into our life. Also, these activities add color into our profession. Even companies like TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, Infosys, all IT companies as well as Kirloskar or Murthy Udyog and all those auto companies or any manufacturing companies, they are looking for people who are talented. They get bored whole day on their desktops or using their machines. So they need some entertainment amongst themselves. If there is activity like playing cricket or football or basketball, naturally this can give some physical activity as well as can entertain the people. You freshen your mind. Adding yoga to your life and other activities like gardening, definitely improves the taste in the life. And also at your workplace also, you start liking certain things. You want to contribute to your office in terms of maybe you want to improve the greenery. looks of the office. If you know, you have information, you have idea about the interiors. You want to the people to play a game so that the team spirits come. So believe me, the companies are really looking for the talented people who have good hobbies even. They have good talents as well as good hobbies. So during interview you will be asked if you are looking for a job. Even the people who are good in debate or they are good in lecturing or they are good in singing, and they are good leaders also, because they don't have that kind of hesitation to in the public speaking. So they can speak well and they can definitely communicate with the people. So friends, these things not only add color into our life, they add a lot of value into our life. Keeping this in the mind, our team of faculty members have worked to arrange this winter festival, and also many students have come forward, and the activities you are participating in, you are enjoying those activities online. I thank all the students who are participating. I also thank and our team who have worked hard to bring this particular festival up to this level. Let me share a couple of happinesses with you. Our 102 students have been selected by TCS. Couple of days back we got the results. You see, it's a pandemic going on. We arrange the trainings online. We give them a lot of information how to clear the test. Resultantly, we have got 102 selections. We are also waiting, we are trying for more selection, we are waiting for more selection from TCS. Many more companies we are requesting to interview our students. So wherever demand comes, we will try to bring best of the opportunities for our students. So get ready. Take placements as well as placement training, the PPT programs, technical training, whatever we are offering, very serious. These are helpful in getting a good job. Also take entrepreneurship skills very serious if you want to do business. Okay. With this, I wish you good luck, and I express my happiness over the program. That program has definitely taken off and it's going on. I thank my team. I thank director. I thank the principals, Principal Dr. Srinath Reddy, thank Director Dr. Ramlinga Reddy, and others who have supported this winter festival. Okay. Good luck. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for devoting your precious time and endowing the young pupils with your words of wisdom and experience.
Doesn't dancing make one blissful? Doesn't it free you from every damn care? So here we have our next performer, Naga Sai Sri.
Thank you, Naga Saisri, for that fabulous performance.
Music is the ocean that pulls me to the shore. Music is the rhythm that pulls me to the core. And now I call upon D. Akanksha for the performance.
मोहे रंग दो लाल, मोहे रंग दो लाल, नंद की लाल लाल, छेड़ो नाई बस रंग दो लाल, मोहे रंग दो लाल। देखो देखो तुझको मैं हूँ केलिया, देखो देखो तुझको मैं हूँ केलिया, चलो कोरा मोरा कांच सा तन नैन भर क्या रह यार, मोहे रंग दो लाल, नंद की लाल लाल, छेड़ो नाई बस रंग दो लाल, मोहे रंग दो लाल। मरोड़ी कलाई मोरी, मरोड़ी कलाई मोरी, हाँ कलाई मोरी, हाँ कलाई, मरोड़ी कलाई मोरी, चोरी चटकाई इतराई तो चोरी से गरवार गाए, हरी चुनरिया जो छटके से छीनी, हरी चुनरिया जो छटके से छीनी, मैं तो रंगी हरी हरी के रंग लाज से गुलाबी गाल, मोहे रंग दो लाल, नंद की लाल लाल, छेड़ो नाई बस रंग दो लाल, मोहे रंग दो लाल।
Thank you, Akansha, for that melodious performance. Music relays the past memories, awaken our forgotten worlds, and make our minds travel. Let's give it up for our next performer, Sabah Anjum Khanam.
मोह मोह के धागे, मोह मोह के धागे, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगली से जा उलझे। ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे। कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहाई सुलझे। है रोम रोम एक तारा, है रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे। ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे। कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहाई सुलझे। जरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना। तू होगा जरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना। कैसे तूने अनकहा सब सुना। तू होगा जरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना। तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे। कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहाई सुलझे। कि तेरी झूठी बातें मैं सारी मान लूं। कि तेरी झूठी बातें मैं सारी मान लूं। आँखों से तेरे सच सभी सब कुछ अभी जान लूं। कि तेरी झूठी बातें मैं सारी मान लूं। बहते से हम आवारा, आथम के सांसें ले ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे। कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहाई सुलझे।
Thank you Sabha Anjum Khanam for your performance. What a holy and elegant beginning of the performances for this day. So we have our next performer, Sai Varun.
మగువా మగువా లోకానికి తెలుసా నీ విలువా. మగువా మగువా నీ సహనానికి సరిహద్దులు కలవా. అటు ఇటు అన్నింటా నువ్వే జగమంతా పరుగులు తీస్తావు ఇంట బయట అడుపని రవ్వంతా ననే అనవంట వెలుగులు పూస్తావు వెళ్ళేదారంతా మగువా మగువా లోకానికి తెలుసా నీ విలువా మగువా మగువా నీ సహనానికి సరిహద్దులు కలవా నీ కాటుక కనులు విప్పారకపోతే ఈ భూమికి తెలవారదుగా నీ గాజుల చేయి కదలాడకపోతే ఏ మనుగడ కొనసాగదుగా ప్రతి వరుసలోను ప్రేమగా అల్లుకున్న బంధమా అంతులేని నిశ్రమా అంచనాల కందున ఆలయాలు కోరని ఆదిశక్తి రూపమా నువ్వు లేని జగతిలో దీపమే వెలుగునా నీడగులాలనలో ప్రియమగు పాలనలో ప్రతి ఒక్క మగవాడు పసివాడేగా ఎందరి పెదవులలో ఏ చిరునవ్వున్నా ఆ సిరి మెరుపులకు మూలం నువ్వేగా మగువా మగువా లోకానికి తెలుసా నీ విలువా మగువా మగువా నీ సహనానికి సరిహద్దులు కలవా
Thank you, Simon, for the performance.
Music is a piece of art that goes in the ears straight to the heart. Now here's our next participant, Benny.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive at it and follow my lead. I find a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. See what you still in the fire. Your eyes all I own, and in your eyes so mine, baby. I'm dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you say you look a mess, I whisper underneath my
Thank you, Benny, for the melodious song. Coming up is our next participant, Rohit.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna sing Hawaii. So this song is for all the Sake fans. तुझको मैं रख लूँ वहाँ जहाँ पे कहीं है मेरा यकीन। मैं जो तेरा ना हुआ किसी का नहीं ले जाए जाने का हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए तुझे का हवाएं हवाएं बेगानी है ये बागी हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए तुझे का हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए जाने का न मुझको खबर न तुझको बता ओ बनाती है जो तू वो याद जाने संग मेरे कब तक चले इन्हीं में तो मेरी सुबह भी ढले शाम ढले मौसम ढले ख्यालों का शहर तू जाने तेरे होने से ही आबाद है हवाएं हक में वही है आते जाते जो तेरा नाम ले देती है जो सदाएं हवाएं हवाएं न जाने क्या बताए हवाएं हवाएं ले जाने तुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए तुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए जाने कहाँ न मुझको खबर न तुझको बता ओ
Thank you, Rohit, for the performance. Without a care in the world, we dance, dancing as if it was our last chance. Till the rain stops and the sun rises, keep watching because we are full of surprises. Here I call upon our next performer, Nikita.
અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे हो આવી ગઈ રાત અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ छे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां छोगाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे छोगाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे छोगाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे छमाछम नाच आजे धमाधम ढोल बाजे नॉन स्टॉप हल्ला मचेगा ओए नाचो सारे अपनी फेमस है रात वाली यारियां जाने
Thank you for those stunning moves, Nikita. Music is a therapy. It is a communication far more powerful than words, far more immediate, far more efficient. Let's welcome our next performer, Vishali.
Hey everyone, I'm Vaishali Nimkar, first year student from CSM branch GNIT. Today I'll be singing Tosinena song. Hope you'll enjoy. इस लम्हे को रोक दो या मैं खुद को इसमें झोंक दूं, क्या करूं, क्या करूं, क्या करूं। इस लम्हे में मैं कुछ भी जानू ना, नैना नैना लागे, नैना नैना लागे, नैना नैना लागे, नैना नैना लागे। तो से नैना जब से मिले, तो से नैना जब से मिले, बन गए सिलसिले। तो से नैना जब से मिले, तो से नैना जब से मिले, बन गए सिलसिले। तो से नैना जब से मिले, हसत बुध खोई है खोई मैंने, हाँ जान गवाई गवाई मैंने, हाँ तुझको बसाया है धड़कन में सावरे। हसत बुध खोई है खोई मैंने, हाँ जान गवाई गवाई मैंने, हाँ तुझको बसाया है धड़कन में सावरे। तो से नैना जब से मिले, तो से नैना जब से मिले, बन गए सिलसिले। नैना नैना लागे, नैना नैना लागे, नैना नैना लागे, नैना नैना लागे। खुद को खोकर तुझको पाया, इस तरह से मुझको जीना आया। हो खुद को खोकर तुझको पाया, इस तरह से मुझको जीना आया। तेरी लगन में सब है गवाया, इस तरह से मुझको जीना आया। तेरी हंसी मेरी खुशी, तेरी खुशी तो से नैना जब से मिले, तो से नैना जब से मिले, बन गए सिलसिले। नैना नैना लागे, नैना नैना लागे, नैना नैना लागे, नैना नैना लागे। Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Vishali, for the great performance. Dance has the power to make you look and feel beautiful. It's time for our next piece of entertainment. I now call Balakrishnan for the next performance.
సోదరులారా చూసుకోండి నా జూలియట్ ని కన్నులారా. ఏట్రా మనకు అమ్మాయి పడదన్నారు, ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది?
ఇంతకన్నా మంచి పోలికేది నాకు తట్టలేదు గాని అమ్మో, ఈ లవ్ అనేది బబ్లు గమ్ము, అంటుకున్నదంటే పోదు నమ్ము. ముందు నుంచి అందరన్న మాటే గాని మళ్ళీ అంటున్నానే అమ్ము, ఇది చెప్పకుండా వచ్చే తుమ్ము, ప్రేమ నా పలేవు నన్ను నమ్ము. ఎట్టగానే ఎదురు చూకి తగినట్టుగా నువ్వు బదులు చెబితివే, అరే దేవుడా దాని తలో పటే పిల్లడాంట దగ్గరై నన్ను చేరదీస్తివే. బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే, జిందగీకే అట్ట బొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే. బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే, జిందగీకే అట్ట బొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే.
జీవితంలో దేని మీద ఆశపడాను నేను, ఆ అమ్మాయి.
Thank you, Balakrishna, for that wonderful performance. Put your hands together for our next participant, Bindu.
తరగని బరువైన వరమని అనుకుంటూ తనువున మోసావే అమ్మా, కడుపున కదలికనై కలవర పెడుతున్నా విరివిగా పంచావే ప్రేమ. కను తెరవక ముందే కమ్మని నీ దయకు రుణపడిపోయింది జన్మ. తందానే నానే తానే తందానో తానే నానేనో, హే తందానే నానే తానే తందానో తానే నానేనో. నువ్వంటే నా నవ్వు, నేనంటే నే నువ్వు, నువ్వంటూ నేనంటూ లేమని, అవునంటూ మాటివ్వు, నిజమంటూ నే నువ్వు, నేరాని దూరాలు నువ్వు పోనని. ఎటు ఉన్నా నీ నడక వస్తాగా నీ వెనక, దగ్గరగా రాని నువ్వు దూరమే. నే వేసే ప్రతి అడుగు ఎక్కడికో నువ్వు అడుగు, నిలుచున్నా నీ వైపే చేరేనులే. నీ అడుగేమో పడి నేల గుడి అయినదే, నీ చూపేమో సడిలేని ఉరుమైనదే. నువ్వు ఆకాశం నేను నీ కోసం, తడిసిపోదామా ఈ వానలో. ఈ చినుకు ఆ మేఘం విడిపోవసలే, సూర్యునితో జత కట్టి ఒకటవుతాయే. నీడల్లో నలుపల్లె మల్లెల్లో తెలుపల్లె, ఈ భువికే వెలుగిచ్చే వరమే ఈ ప్రేమ. ఈ చినుకు ఆ మేఘం విడిపోవసలే, సూర్యునితో జత కట్టి ఒకటవుతాయే. నీడల్లో నలుపల్లె మల్లెల్లో తెలుపల్లె, ఈ భువికే వెలుగిచ్చే వరమే ఈ ప్రేమ. Thank you.
Thank you, Bindu, for the performance. She tilts and dances like it's her lifeblood. She moves about dancing under the sun, with sand between her toes. She would dance all night as the moonlight kisses her skin. And here I call upon Ramani for the next dance performance.
इश्क़ दा ऐसा पाया जाल सोनिए, दिल मेरा कट के ले गई नाल सोनिए, तेरे पीछे लगे हो या साल सोनिए. गहरा नाल जद गल्ला दुखदा है दिल मेरा चल्ला किन्ना तड़ पावे सोणीए पावे तू मेरे मिठी मिठी गल्ला करी जावे कहंदी गड्डी विच गेड़ियां लवाते हुण दूरों तक्की जा तू सोणीए
लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ सानू भी झूठा दे दो किथे गले गले जाई जाने ओ मॉडल टाउन
ಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿರುವ ಹೀಗೆ ಎಂದೆಂದು ಇರಲಿ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜನ ಕಳೆ ನಗುತ್ತಲಿ ಹರಿಸುವ ನಾವು ಹೊಳೆ ನಕ್ಕರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಳೆ ಸುರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನವೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಳೆ ಇರಲಿ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜನ ಕಳೆ ನಗುತ್ತಲಿ ಹರಿಸುವ ನಾವು ಹೊಳೆ ನಕ್ಕರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಳೆ ಸುರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನವೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಳೆ ನಮಗೆ 108 ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ನಗಾನೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಡೀಲ್ ಮಾಡು ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಯೋದೆ ಮೊದಲು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿದ್ರು.
Thank you, Ramani, for keeping the spirit of the event going. Music is an expression of individuality. It's how you see the world. Now, let's welcome our next performer, Prabhu Das.
Prabhudas, I am from JNITC, 6th section, EC department. La 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 la. తలుక్కుమన్నది కుల కుల తార పలుకుతున్నది వలపు సితార తలుక్కుమన్నది కుల కుల తార పలుకుతున్నది వలపు సితార ఓ మైనా వదలని కైమైనా నాలోన శృతి లయలు నీవేనా గుండెల్లోన నిండే ఊహ నీవే కిరణ్ రావే కిరణ్ తలుక్కుమన్నది కులుకుల తార పలుకుతున్నది వలపు సితార తలుక్కుమన్నది కులుకుల తార పలుకుతున్నది వలపు సితార ఓ నువ్వు నా ప్రాణమని విన్నవించు ఈ పాటని నువ్వు నా ప్రాణమని విన్నవించు ఈ పాటని ఎక్కడో దూరానున్నా చుక్కలే విన్నాగాని కదిలించలేద కాస్త కూడా నీ మనస్సుని పరదాలు దాటి ఒక్కసారి పలకరించవేమి అందరిని ఇలా వెంటపడి అడగాల సరదాగా నువ్వే ఎదురైతే సరిపోదా నిద్రపోతున్న రాత్రి నడిగా గూటికి చేరిన గువ్వల నడిగా తానే నానే నన్న తానే నన్న తానే నన్న తానే నానే నన్న తానే నన్న.
Thank you, Prabhudas, for the performance. Dancing is like taking a mini vacation from the stress of the everyday life. You have to be in the moment. I here call upon Ruchita for the next performance.
Thank you, Ruchita, for those amazing moves. Let's put our hands together for our next performer, Mahati.
Hello everyone, my name is Mahati, bearing roll number 17WJ1A05B6 from 4th year CSE to GNITC. I am here to sing a song. ఏమన్నావో ఏం విన్నానో కన్నులతో మాట్లాడే భాషే వేరు ఏదో మాయ చేసావయ్యా మనసుతో పాటాడే రాగం వేరు చిన్ని చిన్ని ఆసే సిరివెన్నెల్లో నా పూసే గుండెల్లోనే ఊసే ఒక బాసే చేసే గుచ్చే చూపుల్లోన అరవిచ్చే నవ్వుల్లోన నచ్చే వేళల్లోన మరుమల్లెలలోన ఓ దేహమై ఓ ప్రాణమై ఓ బంధమై ఉందాములే ఓ దేహమై ఓ ప్రాణమై ఉందాములే ఓ దేహమై ఓ ప్రాణమై ఓ బంధమై ఉందాములే ఓ దేహమై ఓ ప్రాణమై ఉందాములే. రేపుల్లో మా పుల్లో చూపుల్లో పొంగు ప్రేమ చూపుల్లో పొంగు ప్రేమ ఊపిరైనది చెంపల్లో కెంపుల్లో సంపెంగ పూల ముద్దు సంపెంగ పూల ముద్దు చంపుతున్నది ఈ గుండె నిండుగా నీ రూపు నిండగా నా నీడ రెండుగా తోచె కొత్తగా నా కంటి పాపలే నీ చంటి బొమ్మలే మూసేటి రెప్పలే దాచమెత్తగా చిన్ని చిన్ని ఆసే సిరివెన్నెల్లో నా పూసే గుండెల్లోని ఊసే ఒక బాసే చేసే గుచ్చే చూపుల్లోన అరవిచ్చే నవ్వుల్లోన నచ్చే వేళల్లోన మరుమల్లెలలోన ఓ దేహమై ఓ ప్రాణమై ఓ బంధమై ఉందాములే ఓ దేహమై ఓ ప్రాణమై ఉందాములే ఓ దేహమై ఓ ప్రాణమై ఓ బంధమై ఉందాములే ఓ దేహమై ఓ ప్రాణమై ఉందాములే.
Thank you, Mahati, for your performance. Keep dancing until you lose yourself or find yourself again. Here I call upon Rohit for the next performance.
Thank you, Rohit, for the energetic performance. Whatever you're feeling, whether it's happiness, sadness, or fear, just turn it up and listen to what you hear. To me, music could never go wrong. I could listen to it all day long. Here's our next performer for the day, Adbhuta.
सीखा मैंने मेरे बिना हमदम, ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा कभी तेरे बिना हमदम। दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। हंसी का मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, हंसी का मैंने मेरे बिना हमदम, ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम। सच्ची सी है तारीफें दिल से जो मैंने करी है, सच्ची सी है तारीफें दिल से जो मैंने करी है, जो तू मिला तो से जी हाँ दुनिया मेरी हमदम। ओ आसमां मिला ज़मीन को मेरी यादें पूरे हम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। हंसी का मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, हंसी का मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम, ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम।
Thank you, Adbhuta, for your performance. Dance is the joy of movement and heart of life. I hereby call upon Pranavi for the next performance.
రామ చక్కని సీతకి అరచేత గోరింట, ఇంత చక్కని చుక్కకి ఇంకెవరు మొగుడంట, రామ చక్కని సీతకి పుడతవి పునరేలు విడిచిన పుడమియల్లోడు రాముడే, ఎడమ చేతను శివుని విల్లును ఎత్తిన రాముడే, ఎత్తగలడా సీత జడను తాళి కట్టే వేళలో, రామ చక్కని సీతకి ఎర్ర జాబిలి చేయి రాముడేడని అడుగుతుంటే, చూడలేదని పెదవి చెప్పే చెప్పలేమని కనులు చెప్పే, నల్ల పూసైనాడు దేవుడు నల్లని రఘురాముడు, రామ చక్కని సీతకి పసుపాటలు కాదుగా రామ చక్కని సీతకి అరచేత గోరింట ఇంత చక్కని చుక్కకి ఇంక ఎవరో మొగోడంట రామ చక్కని సీతకి.
Thank you, Pranavi, for this stunning performance. After silence, that which comes nearest to expressing the inexpressible is music. Give it up to our next performer, Bhavesh. Thank you, Bhavesh, for those melodious tunes. Dance is not just an art, it's a language to speak your inner emotions. Let's welcome our next performer, Gauri Priya.
खींच के निशाने हूँ मैं मारती आँख सुर में से भर के तैयार की खींच खींच के निशाने हूँ मैं मारती खुद ज्यादा तू उम्मीद मत रख सोने ज्यादा तू उम्मीद मत रख सोने तेरा लेवल नहीं मेरे यार वर्गा मुंडिया नू सूली उत्ते टंगी रख दे मेरा नखरा दिखी तलवार वर्गा मुंडिया नू सूली उत्ते टंगी रख दे मेरा नखरा दिखी तलवार वर्गा
Yela, 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 ma. Yela, yela,
It's been long. तेरी बीन सुने परदेसी आगिन गिन 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 मर गई आगिन गिन 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 सजना बिन तेरे लगे आंगन टेढ़े मैं नाच न जानूं एक राती anymore लहराना भूली इठलाना भूली घर आ जाना don't you love me anymore मुझ पे सुरूर है असर तेरा ये जरूर है तेरी नजर का कसूर है पास तू क्यों दूर है ये इश्क का जो फितूर है नशे में दिल तेरे चूर है अब तो होश ना खबर है ये कैसा असर है होश ना खबर है ये कैसा असर है तुमसे मिलने के बाद दिल
Thank you, Gauri Priya, for your performance.
Talent, for some it is inbuilt, while others learn along their way. But one thing that is common in each and every one of them is that everyone has an amazing talent. Apart from academics, many students have got their own fields in which they shine. And now we present to you a few of the best that GNI has to offer. Art plays a huge role in how humans see and interact with others and the world in general. Art helps us emotionally, psychologically, and helps to shape individual and collective personality. An artist is a person who is able to put their point of view, their way of seeing the world, on a canvas or a piece of paper. We have one such artist, M. Deepika, depicting the wreck of Titanic. That was an amazing piece of art by M. Deepika. What we have next is an amazing fire trick done by Sajan Sai. This works because of the flammable vaporized wax that briefly remains in the air, which helps in reigniting the wick of the candle.
I'm a bad guy. Duh.
That was a good show by Sajan Sai. Have you ever wondered what a motion picture is? Or have you ever heard of it? What you're about to see next is a picture taken by Kunda Krushan, which captures moving smoke.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
That was a pretty interesting and creative show of art by Kunda Krushan. One of the main aspects of a great film is the narration. Next up, we have one such talent, story narration by Manasvi Srivastava.
Hello everyone, I am Manasvi Srivastava and today I am going to narrate a poetry which I wrote while my stay in Hyderabad and which depicts unity in diversity. So, it starts like, शाम में चार मीनार भी देखा है मैंने, देखी बिरला मंदिर की सुबह भी है. शाम में चार मीनार भी देखा है मैंने, देखी बिरला मंदिर की सुबह भी है. राम की बंडी से गुजरती रहीम की खुशी देखी है, तो लाड बाजार में झूमती गुड़िया की हंसी भी देखी है. राम की बंडी से गुजरती रहीम की खुशी देखी है, तो लाड बाजार में झूमती गुड़िया की हंसी भी देखी है. ओस्मानिया के बिस्किट से शुरू होने वाली अन्ना की सुबह भी देखी है, तो हर शाम बिरयानी के नाम करने वाले दोस्तों की जिंदा दिली देखी है. ओस्मानिया के बिस्किट से शुरू होने वाली अन्ना की सुबह देखी है, तो हर शाम बिरयानी के नाम करने वाले दोस्तों की जिंदा दिली देखी है. कोटी के टिफिन तो शावरमे की भीड़ भी देखी है. हुसैन सागर की जगमग देखी है, तो अनंतागिरी की खामोशी भी. हुसैन सागर की जगमग देखी है, तो अनंतागिरी की खामोशी भी. धर्म जैसा भी देखा है मैंने कुछ, पर एकता थोड़ी बड़ी देखी है. धर्म जैसा भी देखा है मैंने कुछ, पर शायद एकता थोड़ी बड़ी देखी है. बस कुछ इतने नज़दीकी से ही हैदराबाद की ये ज़िंदगी देखी है. बस कुछ इतने नज़दीकी से ही हैदराबाद की ये ज़िंदगी देखी है. Thank you everyone.
Thank you Manasvi Srivastava for the story. Here we have another art piece by Shiva which depicts law drama.
DJ Kartik Rasulpura
That was a great art piece by Shiva. Here we have another artwork by Sanjay.
loudness.
देखो तेरी जमीन
Thank you Sanjay for the art piece. Here we have another artwork of the theme jungle by Manikumar.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, It gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
Thank you, Mani Kumar. There is never an end for talent. Keep learning and be creative. Collective work is the secret behind progress. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. We are greatly appreciative of the fact that all of you have given your best to us and made this show such a huge knockout. High-spirited presentations, lively dances, top-notch performances, and most outstandingly, you, the audience, the people who made this show possess life. Now it's time for the vote of thanks. I hereby invite Dr. Subbalakshmi ma'am from GNITC and Dr. Deepa Jyoti ma'am from GNIT, who are the coordinators of this event, Virtual Fest 2021 GNI.
Greetings to you all. We, Dr. C.H. Subbalakshmi, CSE Department, GNITC, and Dr. S. Deepa Jyoti, CSE Department, GNIT, conveners of the Virtual Cultural Fest 2020-21, are here to propose vote of thanks on behalf of GNI. First and foremost, we would like to thank our Vice Chairman, Sardar Gagandeep Singh Kohli, for being supportive all the time. Thank you, sir. We take the privilege to thank our Managing Director, Dr. H.S. Saini, for guiding us. Thank you, sir. We would like to thank our beloved Director, GNITC, Dr. Ramlinga Reddy, and Principal GNIT, Dr. Srinath Reddy, for their timely advice and encouragement. Thank you, sirs. We would like to extend our sincere thanks to Deans, Associate Directors, HODs, Faculty Coordinators, Technicians, other staff members, student volunteers, participants for extending their cooperation. Thank you.
We sincerely thank the technical world, especially the YouTube, for giving us this opportunity. We sincerely thank the media for their coverage of the event. Last but not least, we thank each and everybody who have taken their time off from the busy schedule to watch the program, without whom the program could have not been a grand success. Thank you, one and all.